So, ang gagawin namin today ay ang Fartlek and Core Training Program.
Hi, my name is Erica Meas de Langin.
Hi, I am Cici Laura Villapando.
My name is Hyacinth Nicole Villegas. Maureen R. Villanueva.
Margaret Villanueva.
So, ano bang inaantay nyo?
Let's go!
Fartlek is a Swedish word that means speed play. It is a training technique that involves alternating between different running speeds, combining fast bursts of running with slower recovery periods. Unlike structured interval training, fartlek is flexible and can be adjusted based on the runner's environment and fitness level. This method helps improve both aerobic and anaerobic endurance, enhances speed, and keep training session engaging and less monotonous. Core Training Program. Core Exercise are movements that strengthen the muscles in the abdomen, lower back, and pelvis. These muscles are essential for maintaining balance, stability, and overall body strength. Some common core exercises include crunches, reverse crunches, and Russian twist. Strengthening the core improves posture, enhances athletic performance, and reduces the risk of injuries. It also plays a crucial role in daily activities, such as bending, lifting, and maintaining an upright posture.